Good morning, students, and welcome to all of you. Students, first of all, I would like to introduce myself. I am Mr. Sanjay More. My qualification is MA English MA. And today, student, we are discussing an important subject. Why the teaching of grammar or the grammar learning of grammar is important? What is meant by grammar? Why it is important in any language? Students, when we think about any language which is present in the world, at that time we can say that without grammar we cannot imagine about the language. Students, all of you know that we all are alive because of the blood circulation system is there in our body. Because of that reason we can live alive. That's why we can say the grammar is the blood of language. When we delete grammar from any language, at that time we can say that the language can die or language may die. Or in other words, we can say grammar is the backbone of any language. Because of backbone we can stand, and because of the grammar the language can live alive. When we learn any type of language, at that time we should know the grammar of that language. When we think about the English language, which is foreign language for us, which is new language for us, at that time we should know which type of grammar is there, which type of topics are very necessary to learn in that language. Student, there is some basic grammar. All of you know that right from the 5th class or right from the 1st class you are learning English language. At that time all of you know that what is meant by noun, types of noun, definition of noun, what is meant by a proper noun, what is meant by pronoun, what type of pronouns are there, what is meant by reflexive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, emphatic pronoun or emphasis pronoun, interrogative pronoun, what is meant by adjective, which type of adjectives are there, what is the function of adjectives, what type of sentences are there in the language, what is the structure of every sentence, which type of tense are there, what is the structure of every tense. We should have the knowledge of all these things. And in other words, we can say the grammar is the science of a language, or grammar is the scientific study of language. Students, when we learn any type of sentence, at that time in that sentence noun is there, subject is there, verb is there, object is there. And at the same time we should know what is the definition of noun. What type of noun are there? What is meant by common noun? What is meant by proper noun? What is meant by abstract noun? What is meant by material noun? What are the example of these noun? What are the personal pronoun? Do you know about the pronoun or personal pronoun? All of you know that we, you, he, she, it, they, all these are personal pronoun. With the help of these personal pronoun we can construct some sentence. What type of tense are there? There are 3 basic tense, but every tense has 4 subtense. That is why when we think about the present tense, at that time we can say simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. And with the help of the structure of that tense, we can construct the sentence of that tense. It means we should have the knowledge of tense also. Then when we say that I know English, at that time we should have the knowledge of grammar of that language. It means we should have the ability to study that language scientifically, or you should have ability to analyze the language. When you read any type of paragraph of any language, at that time you should know which type of nouns are there, which type of personal pronouns are there, which type of demonstrative pronouns are there, which type of articles are there, which type of sentences are there, and as well as we should know the punctuations, which type of punctuations are there in the language. Why the punctuations are very important? What is the role of the punctuation in our language? If the study of all about all these things in the grammar. So students, throughout the year we are going to discuss the complete grammar or topic by topic or chapter by chapter. So students, this is our first period. After getting book, we will start the topics of our grammar. Then you will come to know what is mean by noun, what type of tense are, which type of tense are there, what type of tense are there, what is the structure of every tense, what is the function of adjective, what is the function of adverb, what is the function of conjunction, which type of conjunctions are there, what is the use of conjunction, what is mean by interjection, or what is the use of interjection, and how can we identify the interjection in the given sentence. We can analyze all these things after learning the grammar topics. That's why grammar is very important. Because of the grammar, the language can live alive. Our grammar is the backbone of language. Grammar is the blood of language, or grammar is the blood circulation of language, and because of that grammar we can imagine any language which is present in the world, or ultimately we can say grammar is the scientific study of any language, and we should study all these topics which are included in grammar. So students, throughout the year, one by one we will discuss about the topics of grammar. So students, have a nice day. Thank you.